McLaren. Today is Tuesday, October the 2nd, 2018. Today we're going to unpackage. I ordered a small utility knife, and we're going to take these scissors. That's my next review, these Kevlar scissors from Vampire Tools. Here's the package. Oh, I'm glad I got my scissors. Folding utility knife, and it's blades times 15. And the back, it's called the Hompo. I ain't even heard of this. Tracked me on just off Amazon for about 16 bucks. And on the back, folding utility knife, fixed blade for more stable and powerful cutting, a blade lock, and then it shows you the safety lock. And here's the number on it, HKA 029 4RD, made in China. Let's see what we got inside here. There's the knife itself. The blades are in the bottom here. On this end. Blades and instructions are in the bottom. Oh yeah. Has a instruction manual with it. Told you the different safety lock, anti-skid handle, knife head, SK5 blade, plastic blade protector, anti-skid button, blade lock, L-shaped blade back lock, hanging loop, rectangle window, blade storage box, and arrows mark. Different stuff here. You get 15 blades with it. And the handy carrying case. Those look sharp. Ouchie. Here's the knife itself. Clear some stuff out of here. Nice, a bright red. It's got the loop here, and it's got take it. So that's that measuring tape there, the lefty righty. See how it doesn't sit flat here. Anyway, that's a different interview. So about 4 inches long here. A bright red. Here's a button here to open it. Snaps open here. They have a little plastic on the blade, so. And then I think I just take that off. I think this is what you press to release the blade. Yeah, press that to release the blade. And put this back on. There. Anyway, it looks comfortable in the hand. This is just a small one I bought just to try it out. Hompo it's called. It's got these different, I don't know what that is. It's that lanyard in the back. You can hang it from your pants. Now, it's got that anti-skip, so I guess you're cutting like this. And the blade itself is about 6.5, a little more than 6.5. Nice bright color though, it's a bright red. Here's the button you press to close the knife. You can carry that in your pocket. That locked it in here too. Close it up for safety. And I get cut doing a video. Anyway, this is a Hompo. Bought it off Amazon for about $16 Canadian. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers the last couple of weeks. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you watch this for the first time today, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video today. Have a great day.